Hey there, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us again here on Talk Walk English, where we make mastering English both simple and enjoyable. I'm so excited to be here with all of you.
Hey, good to see you again. Really happy to be chatting with you today.
Wonderful to have you here. How's everything going with you?
Doing all right, thanks for asking. Though I've got to admit, I'm feeling pretty worn out.
Worn out? But it's barely past lunchtime.
I know. My morning was absolutely packed. What about you? How are you doing?
Fantastic. I'm in such a good mood right now.
You always seem upbeat. So what's making you especially cheerful today?
Well, I've got my go-to coffee right here, nice and hot, just the way I love it.
That definitely makes a difference. I'm sipping on some tea, the green kind.
Green tea's excellent for you as well.
Absolutely. So, before we dive into our conversation, we really should mention something to everyone listening.
Oh, right, definitely. To everyone tuning in right now, welcome. We're thrilled you decided to join us.
Yes, and hey, if you're enjoying what we do here, we'd love it if you'd hit that like button.
Please do. And make sure you're subscribed to Talk Walk English. Your support helps us keep creating these episodes for all of you.
And tell your friends about us. If someone you know is working on their English skills, they might really enjoy listening to our conversations too.
Exactly. We really appreciate it. All right, so
Yeah,
today we're just having a casual conversation, right?
that's right. This episode is all about authentic English dialogue. Just two friends catching up.
I absolutely love doing these. Okay, so tell me, Mr. Exhausted, what's got you so tired?
It's all about work stuff.
Rough day at the office?
Yesterday it went on forever.
Oh, really? What went down at work?
We had this massive meeting.
With your manager?
Yeah, with my boss, Mr. Henderson, plus the entire department. Literally everyone.
I'm not a fan of those huge meetings. They drag on and on.
They really do. This one lasted a full 3 hours.
3? That's crazy.
Yep, 3 solid hours of non-stop discussion, just talking and talking.
Oh, wow. What were you all discussing?
The boss is demanding a new report, a massive, comprehensive report, completely focused on data and figures.
Numbers. I really don't enjoy dealing with numbers.
Same here. I'm much better with language, but he needs this huge report completed by Friday.
Friday? But we're only on Tuesday.
I know, Friday's coming up fast.
So everyone's swamped right now.
The whole team is feeling the pressure. Everyone's stressed out.
That's awful.
And there's this other issue brewing, a situation with some of the team members.
Oh no, people drama.
Yeah, my coworkers. You remember Tom?
Of course I remember Tom. Tall guy, really hilarious.
That's him. So there's Tom, and then there's Sarah.
Sarah? I don't think I know her.
She just joined us recently. Really pleasant, keeps to herself mostly.
Got it. So Tom's the outgoing one, and Sarah's more reserved.
Exactly right. And they're partnered up on this report together.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Tom's super talkative, you know? And Sarah, she's incredibly dedicated, really concentrates on her work.
I see what's happening. Tom does all the chatting while Sarah does all the actual work.
Precisely. And yesterday, Sarah seemed really upset.
Upset? What happened?
I think Tom might have said something to her.
Something unkind?
Maybe. I wasn't around when it happened, but Sarah just looked completely dejected. She mentioned that Tom is challenging to work with.
That's really tough. Workplace conflicts are absolutely the worst.
I know. The thing is, I actually like both Tom and Sarah. I just want everyone to get along.
Is Mr. Henderson upset about this?
No, the boss hasn't really noticed. He's too preoccupied with everything else. He doesn't realize there's a problem.
He's only focused on getting that report.
Exactly. all he keeps saying is this report needs to be on my desk Friday.
So, Tom and Sarah have no choice but to collaborate.
Right. And my desk is literally positioned between theirs.
Jimmy, that puts you in an awkward spot.
Today during lunch, I ended up eating by myself.
By yourself? But you always have lunch with Tom.
I know, but today Tom stayed at his desk to eat, and Sarah did the same.
So the whole workplace atmosphere was tense and quiet.
Super quiet. Uncomfortably so. I really don't like it. Work's so much more enjoyable when everyone's friendly.
Absolutely. Way, way better.
So what should I do about it?
I actually have a thought. I think it's a pretty good one.
Really? Tell me.
Coffee.
Coffee? Go on.
Yeah, what if you brought coffee for Sarah?
No, that's really thoughtful of you to suggest.
And maybe grab one for Tom, too?
Coffee all around.
Head over to that coffee shop, the Coffee Stop.
Oh, you mean the place on the corner, the one with a huge green sign out front.
That's the one.
Jimmy, they sell these amazing cookies there too.
Cookies.
Yeah, big, delicious chocolate ones.
You're brilliant.
Get coffee and cookies. Everyone cheers up when there are cookies involved.
Perfect. So a coffee and cookie for Sarah. Coffee and cookie for Tom.
Exactly. Flawless plan.
I'll do it tomorrow morning at 10.
10 a.m., great timing, right before the lunch hour.
I'm really hoping this helps. Hoping they'll start communicating again.
I hope so too. You're such a considerate colleague.
Thanks. I just want a harmonious workplace environment.
And best of luck tackling all those numbers.
Oh, right. The report. So many endless figures to analyze.
Is it mostly calculations?
Yeah, adding things up, subtracting, reviewing endless spreadsheets. It's incredibly dull.
I'm terrible at math.
Me too. I'm much better at conversation.
Right? Talking comes naturally. Math doesn't.
Okay. That's enough complaining about work. It's making me tired all over again.
Fair enough. So you mentioned earlier that you're really happy today.
I am.
Is it purely because of that coffee?
The coffee's definitely amazing. But no, I've got some incredible news to share.
Ooh, exciting news. Come on, tell me.
It's about my friend, my absolute best friend, Maria.
Maria. Oh yeah, I know her. She's a blast to be around. Has that gorgeous long black hair.
That's her. Well, Maria's getting married.
What? Married? No way.
Yes! She called me last night and told me. I'm beyond excited.
That's absolutely wonderful news. Wow. When's the wedding happening?
Next month.
Next month? That's coming right up.
I know, it's happening super quickly. But they're completely head over heels for each other.
That's what matters most. Who's the lucky person she's marrying?
His name's Leo, such a sweetheart. He works as a doctor.
A doctor. That's great.
Yeah, Maria's absolutely glowing with happiness. And Jimmy, the ceremony is going to be held in a garden.
A garden wedding. Ooh, that sounds absolutely gorgeous. Surrounded by flowers.
Yes, tons of flowers, beautiful trees everywhere. It's going to be stunning.
So you're thrilled about this.
I am, but honestly, I'm also kind of anxious.
Anxious? Why? This should be a joyful occasion.
I know, but Jimmy, I need to find the perfect dress.
Ah, shopping for a wedding outfit.
Exactly, a brand new dress, something really beautiful.
Ooh, that sounds like fun. I love shopping.
It is fun, but it's also stressful.
Stressful? How come?
What color should I choose?
That's definitely a consideration.
I'm drawn to blue. What do you think about blue?
Blue's a lovely color. Sure, a blue dress would be nice.
But Maria absolutely adores green. Maybe I should wear green to honor her.
Green's beautiful as well. A green dress in a garden setting? Yeah, that would look fantastic. All right, green or blue? Tough call.
I know.
And what about the length? Long or short?
For a garden wedding, maybe something long would be appropriate. Very sophisticated.
Yes, definitely. A long dress. Okay, so we're thinking a long green dress.
That does sound lovely.
But what about footwear?
Oh, no. That's another challenge.
Yeah, shoes matter. I can't wear high heels.
You know, the really tall ones?
Right, heels. Why can't you wear them?
Because we'll be in the garden on grass.
Oh, of course. True. Heels would sink right into the grass. Not practical.
Exactly. So I need to find flat shoes instead.
Flats are way more comfortable anyway. Good choice.
Okay, so we've decided a long green dress with flat shoes.
Where are you planning to shop?
Probably at the big mall downtown.
The mall's perfect. So many different stores to choose from.
Yeah, I'm planning to go this Saturday.
Saturday's ideal for shopping trips.
But, Jimmy, there's one problem. I'm pretty short.
Come on, you're not that short.
I really am. And with long dresses, they always end up being way too long on me.
Ah, I understand. The hem drags on the ground.
Yes, I'll need someone to alter it and make it shorter.
Oh, you mean a tailor?
Right, that's the word, tailor. I can find one after I get the dress.
Sounds good. First, find the dress.
But blue or green?
What color are your eyes?
They're blue.
Then definitely wear blue. A blue dress would be absolutely perfect on you.
Oh, that's brilliant thinking. A long blue dress it is.
There you go.
And for shoes?
What color are you thinking?
I'm not sure.
This is tricky.
Maybe white? Or possibly silver?
Ooh, silver. Yeah, silver flat shoes would be stunning.
Really nice, right?
And add a small silver handbag to match.
Yes. Look at that. Now I have a complete plan.
You certainly do. A long blue dress, silver flats, and a silver bag.
Perfect. You're going to look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you so much. See, talking things through really helps.
It really does. So, how did Maria and Leo actually meet?
Oh, yes, great question. It's actually a really charming story. They met at the grocery store.
No way. Seriously?
Yes, Maria was picking out apples, the red kind, and Leo was over getting oranges.
Apples and oranges.
Right, and then, whisper, Maria dropped all the apples.
Oh no.
Yep, apples rolling everywhere, all across the floor.
And Leo helped her pick them up?
He did. He got down on the floor right away and started gathering up the apples for her.
Aw, that's so sweet, like something from a romantic movie.
I know, right? And he looked up at her and said, "Those are some really red apples you've got there."
Really red apples. That's his opening line?
Yes. Maria just burst out laughing, and then they went for coffee together.
Ah, there's coffee again. Coffee's so important in life.
Absolutely. And now they're getting married.
What a great story. I really love that.
Me too. So yeah, I'm incredibly happy for her.
Such wonderful news.
I'll send you a picture once I buy the dress.
Please do. I want to see this long blue dress.
And the silver shoes.
Right, and those silver shoes. So this week, you've got a big, tedious report to finish.
Yep, with Tom and Sarah and peace offering cookies.
And I've got a big, exciting wedding to attend.
Yeah, it's going to be a busy week for both of us. What are your plans for Friday evening once that report's finally submitted?
Friday night, I'm going straight home, taking off all my work clothes immediately,
Yes.
and changing into my pajamas.
Your comfy blue pajamas.
Exactly, my favorite blue ones.
Blue pajamas.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to collapse on my sofa, my big, cushy red sofa,
That sounds perfect.
and I'm ordering pizza for delivery.
Ooh, pizza. What kind?
I'm thinking pepperoni.
Keep it simple.
Pepperoni's always delicious. I'm more of a cheese pizza person myself.
Just cheese?
Lots and lots of cheese.
Okay.
And then sleep.
Yes, you definitely need proper rest.
I'll probably watch some lighthearted movie, a comedy. I need to laugh after the week I'm having.
You absolutely do. That sounds like an ideal Friday night.
What about you after your shopping trip on Saturday?
Saturday evening, Maria and I are getting together for dinner.
Oh, nice. To discuss wedding details?
Exactly. Talk about the ceremony and Leo and show off my new dress.
Where are you two eating?
We love this cozy Italian place called Luigi's.
Luigi's. Oh, I adore their pasta.
Me too. They seriously have the best pasta in town.
All right, so pizza for you, pasta for me.
We both appreciate good Italian cuisine.
We certainly do. Well, that sounds like a wonderful weekend ahead.
It really does. Wow, look at the time.
Oh yeah, time really flies when we're talking like this.
It absolutely does.
It was so nice catching up with you today. I'm feeling much better now, not nearly as tired.
Oh, good. I enjoyed our chat too.
And thank you to everyone who listened today.
Yes, thank you all so much. That's all we have time for in this episode. We really hope you enjoyed listening to our conversation. This was just an authentic chat between friends.
Exactly.
Please don't forget to subscribe to Talk Walk English.
And click that like button if you had a good time today.
And share this episode with anyone you know who's learning English.
Yes, and we actually have a question for all of you.
Ooh, a question. What is it?
Down in the comments section, tell us what did you do yesterday?
Oh, nice one.
Or what are your plans for this coming weekend?
Yeah, share with us what you've been up to or what's coming up for you.
We absolutely love reading your comments in English.
We really do. Wonderful. Well, until next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.